Hello YouTube friends and family. So it's another weekend. We're on our way to the boat and we decided to get some burrito from the taco stand in San Pedro. We were looking forward on getting some tripas burrito, but unfortunately they don't have tripas again. So what the heck? We'll try again next time. Okay, so back to the boat, and this is the beautiful view going to the boat, and my dog is always happy to be here. And here's the yummy burrito that we had for dinner. The following day, this is how the view looks like. It's a little overcast, but it's still beautiful no matter what. And my dog just got back home from his morning potty. He was chasing the bird. It was so funny. And it's time to do some boat maintenance, and I'm getting ready right now before we take off. Had to remove all the canvas or all the cover so we can see the outside world, so the captain will be able to see everything. He's so mad.
Is this excitement or what?
He is excited.
I said What's you? Very good.
Yeah. And off we go to our destination. We're just gonna do some boat errands as we're getting ready for our next trip to Catalina is coming Thursday morning for the back-end weekend. Yes, guys. And so this is the view. Just enjoy all this big yachts. Maybe someday, God willing, we'll switch to one of those big yacht, guys. We're dreaming. And this is how we unload all the waste from our toilet tank. It's just a quick run to this place, and the main pump out area is not working at this time, so we went to this
Oh, it's sitting there?
one.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna
And look at that seal, just enjoying his time, chilling there. And we're supposed to dock there to check something, but because of the seal, we went to a different place. Look at that amazing creature. He's looking up to his creator, you know. Meanwhile, I had to be the captain for a while because my husband is doing something, is fixing something down below. So I was keeping an eye on him, make sure everything is okay.
The guy goes, he's like, what a dumb.
There's some entertainment going out here or going on here. This windsurfer is really entertaining us right now. He was so fast. I don't know how this windsurf works, guys. Do you have an idea? And this is the Angel's Gate Lighthouse. My dog is really cute. He loves to be out in the ocean. He loves sailing. Okay, back to the lighthouse. Just enjoy this view because we love looking at the lighthouse. Something about this area right here. It's so amazing, guys.
October 2nd.
And we got up early Saturday morning because we got invited by our friend to go to the air show in Huntington Beach, but unfortunately their vote had an issue, so we had to cancel the air show. So that's what happened. We came home Saturday night after my husband tried to help our boat neighbor friend to fix their boat or something like that. And we so this is where I'm gonna end up this weekend boatcation vlog. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy it.